This movie is based on misleading myths and nonsenses on small country with unpronounceable name. Lithuania. Lithuania. Please be advised to take your own risk on witnessing people and the country. Lithuania in foreign myths. A part of Soviet Union, not European, with capital city Riga. All Lithuanians speak Russian, but after independence they invented their own language, which is called Lithuanian. According to some novelists, we don't have electricity and widely use coal for heating, but do have nuclear power station, which is actually closed. Darkness, rain and cold is synonyms of Lithuania. Winters are so hard and wild that foreigners wonder how big population of Lithuanian penguins. All Lithuanians in wintertime live in the cities consisting of Soviet communal multi-level buildings, but during the summer they live for some shallow stalls, caves, woods, even big trees where big wolf packs could be met. We are known as used to gather and eat everything we find, mushrooms, berries, even sand. We are proud of Hannibal Lecter Lithuanian origins. Everyone plays basketball, and this is a religion. We are last pagan in the Europe. Salary is paid in stones, and drink buckets of vodka. That's why every Lithuanian are potential alcoholic and self-murderers. Citizens of Lithuania cannot afford normal car. They drive old Škoda and Žiguli. It's forbidden to show turning signal in Lithuania. We known as country without traffic lights, even though these several have different colors. Please bring your flak jacket, because you easily can meet random shot on the street. Please find out where is your nearest embassy and have your own passport always with you, because Soviets can occupy Lithuania anytime without any reason. Don't smile unless you mean it. In Lithuania, smiling a lot can be seen as insincere. Don't go to Lithuania unless you want to bust all these myths.
Welcome. Welcome, 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 welcome. Somewhere between the Urals and the Baltic Sea, lays a land of very, 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 very beautiful. Right about now, the Funk Soul Brother. Check it out now, the Funk Soul Brother. Right about now, the Funk Soul Brother. Check it out now, the Funk Soul Brother. Right about now, the Funk Soul Brother. Check it out now, the Funk Soul Brother. Right about now, the Funk Soul Brother. Right about now, about now, about now, about now. The soul brother. Right about now, the funk soul brother. Check it out now, the funk soul brother.
Galbūt per daug ir per ilgai mes kariavom. Galbūt per ilgai kartojam žodį šlavę. Gal kartais per daug iš kitų reikalavom ir kartais per tyliai mes norėjom nugalėt. Bet aš ten buvau, laimingas pergalės dainas dainavau, iškėlęs du pirštus į dangų laikiau, nes nugalėtojų jau niekas neteis, juos akmens nepaleis, viskas buvo seniai. Tu per ilgai, per ramiai gyvenai, nes mano gyvas kraujas vėl atsigaus, kaip atsigauna žolė po gero lietaus. Nesikankinau medalio, bet verta kovot lygiai galo dėl savo garbės. Pabandom iš naujo, nors esam pasauly tik 3 milijonai.
So give me a high five, for now is the time to celebrate. Time for a game, time for a fame, time for a marching parade. We're kicking a party, and I know it's just gonna be great. Time for a game, time for a fame, time for a marching parade. Joy parade.
I don't care what your name is.
I don't give a damn what your team is.
Let's make some noise, start shaking the whole.
Celebrate, celebrate basketball. Who's gonna win about losing?
They're red, they're white, they're brown. They get that way underground. There can't be much to do. So now they have blue ones too. We don't care what they
I've had it all before, we ain't got no plans, we're all in for. You should give us a chance, cause we're all victims of circumstance. We've had it pretty tough, but that's okay, we like it rough. We'll settle the score, survive the edge and to
Whoa! Vytautas mineral water! It comes from the depths of earth. Birds and fish haven't had a chance to poop in it. It's popless, it's clean, it's full of minerals. Whoa! Chloride's good for digestion. Digest bricks, leather jackets, British cuisine, Icelandic cuisine, and this goat on a boat, which is probably a popular dish in Icelandic cuisine. Make yourself a sandwich out of pig and 2 iPads, or that cocktail you always wanted. The recipe: 1 milk, 1 banana, 1 jet fighter you knock from the sky with a crossbow. Whoa! Vytautas gives you energy, not unwanted body parts. Use this energy for fun. Catch an electric eel and then spin it so fast that it rips space-time continue and takes you to the future.
Unfucking believable.
You'll be sexy like a tiger in a Bugatti, powered by liquefied thoughts about size of the universe. Hard to comprehend? Well, not anymore. Minerals in Vytautas are good for your brain too. It's good for your leg too. Vytautas will drastically reduce your chance of being raped by a gang of pandas. Not afraid of pandas, but having other stresses. Magnesium will manage that. There are 2 ways of living: giving a fuck, not giving a fuck. Drink Vytautas, give a negative fuck. Vytautas mineral water. It kills hangovers. It's good for ya. It's earth juice. Oh, look, a kitten.
This is Sparta!
Mes šiandien geriam, geriam, geriam. Man paskambino draugai, mes bare ir mums gerai. Mes šiandien geriam, geriam, geriam. Vėjas bus ir nuramins, jaunas širdis prisimins. Mes šiandien...
James Bond.
Slapta išvesti tave ant salos, kur visą saulį aplinkui jūra, ir tu tik man priklausai visados.
Leisk man tave išbučiuoti.